pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil. Da-da-da.
Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. Elevating their value for money offering, this Pro POCO M3 has a new look and it's 5G capable. What else do you get with this new phone, and what type of users might want to look at the POCO M3 Pro 5G as their phone? We're unboxing this and answering that question in this video. POCO M3 Pro, let's unbox. We have the typical yellow box, POCO M3 Pro 5G with easy access to the Google apps you need most. Up here it tells us that I have the black version, although there is a very cute yellow one, and we have 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. We have SIM tool, POCO stickers. These are becoming standard for POCO phones now. Quick start guide and safety info, warranty card. Of course, a jelly case. We have the phone, but you know how we do. We're gonna check out what else is in the box. There is a USB-C cord, also a power brick. And now on to the phone. So this thing has a MediaTek Dimensity 700 with dual 5G and 90Hz 6.5 Full HD plus dot display, 5000 mAh battery, and a 48 megapixel triple AI camera. Ooh, that is one premium looking phone. I mean, this is part of their M3 line, which are the more affordable phones, but wow, look at how fancy looking. This makes me want to see the yellow version in person now. So there is a delineation between that black bar and the rest of the back of this phone and the mirror-like finish. That is, however, a smooth back except for the camera bump. POCO designed by POCO, it says there. And then we have 3 cameras plus the flash. I'm pretty sure this will now become a POCO signature look. Up top, we have the headphone jack, some speakers, on the side a volume rocker, and a fingerprint scanner that doubles as a power button. At the bottom, speakers, USB-C port, and on the other side, you have the SIM tray. Now let's power this up, and you know what's coming next? A montage. Right, now that we've freed this thing from its box, buy this phone if you're looking for a bang for buck device. POCO M3 Pro 5G pricing starts at 179 euros or around 219 US dollars. That's for the 4GB 64GB version, and for the 6GB 128GB version, it's priced at 199 euros or around $250. That is an amazingly good price for a 5G enabled device. That is a big thing, and now all following things I'll say will be premised by the fact that this is a sub 200 euro or sub $250 phone. Yeah. Next up, buy this phone if you want a cheap device that doesn't feel like a cheap device. That's a Gorilla Glass 3 back, and it doesn't feel like a plastic device, which can be the default for a lot of cheaper phones. I've said this in my unboxing and I'll say it again, it's really nice how the light bounces off of this phone. You guys know I'm a sucker for shiny phones despite them being smudgy. The POCO branding on the back might be a little too big for some people, but I'm a little okay with it, and I've actually seen way worse executions on other Chinese brands. Buy this phone if you game. Although repping an LCD screen, this thing does a 90Hz refresh rate, and it has an audio port plus a game turbo mode for optimizing gameplay. From Water Sword Puzzle to PUBG, it did well. I was able to play Asphalt 9 from default settings. to high. And I even pushed it to performance mode. Genshin Impact did okay on lowest default settings and even low, but it did say that the phone was overclocked at medium settings. And this is what gameplay looks like at medium. So here's the deal. Wait, it was smudged, yeah. So here's the deal. This obviously isn't a gaming phone, but we're looking at this through the lens of how it's priced. And based on how it's priced, it's looking like it did pretty well. And I'd say you can most definitely game on this. Now, if you're a serious gamer and gaming performance is what's most important to you, this might not be the phone for you. But if you're someone who sort of values the rest of the things I talked about in this video, and you like games, this phone. Buy this phone if you need a battery that lasts long. This thing has 5000 milliamp hour battery power, and that should last you a day and even more. It has a USB-C port for charging, nice, and 18-watt fast charging. Buy this phone if you care about future-proofing. Gone are the days of finding 5G only in expensive devices. Yes, folks, this is a 5G phone and it beats current pricing for a lot, if not all, of the 5G phones in the market right now. That's it for today's video. Of course, it's just our first look at the POCO M3 Pro 5G, and I'd need more time with it to finally make my mind up about this phone. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Special thanks to POCO for sending me this unit and for partnering with us on this video. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's LAZADA_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. And on TikTok, I answer your questions real time, so I'll see you there. Until next time!